Ceralun is a high-performance, two-component ceramic epoxy composite especially developed for the application of Swarovski products. The clay has optimal adhesive characteristics that can be applied to many materials, such as metal or glass. Before starting to work, please pay attention to the safety guidelines in the product data sheet. Make sure that the surface to which you want to apply Ceralun is suitable. Cut off and weigh the required amount of resin and hardener. The two components must be mixed together in a ratio of 1:1. Mix resin and hardener until a homogeneous appearance is achieved. Place and press the clay onto the relevant area. Mold the surface into the required shape. The surface can be smoothed by using a small amount of release agent. Now the crystals can be set. A chaton sieve is a helpful tool when handling chatons. A chaton sieve automatically places chatons in the correct position, with a reverse side pointing downward, ready to be picked up. Pick up a crystal using a vacuum pickup system, tweezers, or a plasticine stick, and apply it to the Ceralun. Make sure the pavilion of the crystal is surrounded by Ceralun right up to the level of the stone's girdle. Ceralun's pot life, hardening time, and final adhesion strength are all dependent on the temperature.